Episode 3 is finally here, and today I'll be packing my bridesmaid packages. I'll be asking my girls to be my bridesmaid, and these girls have stood with me, they've laughed with me, they've cried with me, they prayed with me, they prayed for me, and as I said, stand in some of the toughest seasons of my life. So putting these packages together from the small details, small touches to the main details is an extra special moment for me, and I wanted to come together and help me pack as I propose and ask these girls to be a part of the biggest day of my life. So in my bridesmaid packages, we're gonna have the bridesmaid bag, this card saying, will you be my bridesmaid? I've officially asked my bridesmaid and maid of honors already, but this is the official gift package for them. You're gonna have a cute little glass juice jar. It comes with a glass straw. Each of my bridesmaid will have a slipper, a dress slipper on the day when we're getting ready. They're gonna have their robes for each of them. Each of them will have this headband scrunchie for when they're doing their hair, and their sleeve cap. In the package as well, you're gonna have a bangle. You're gonna have, this is shaving cream, this is a travel size deodorant. You have the lip balm which says I can't say I do without you. You'll also each of them get a scrunchie, and this is a travel jewelry case. It looks like this, so you can put all your jewelry and rings in here. This is the jewelry set that each bridesmaid will wear. So this is the jewelry set that each bridesmaid will wear on the day, and I'm also gonna, I might package these in here, take them out and put them in here for them, or I leave it like this and allow them to package their travel size jewelry case by themselves. And it also says I can't say I do without you. And then this is the package gift bag and gift box. So some of the stuff will be in here. The gift box will come in here along with the slipper and robe, and this ribbon is gonna tie somewhere here on the package like so. And this basically sums it up for my bridal party, the girls gift packages. For my package, it's gonna be very similar to the bridesmaids, except my stuff are gonna be bridey, and these are the that I'm gonna wear on the day. And this is my robe, my dressing robe, my dressing slipper, a white box instead of blue. Bridesmaid packages are ready. So thank you guys for watching my wedding series. There are more episodes to come, so stay tuned for our next episode where I'm going to showcase the groomsmen gifts and many other episodes to follow in this wedding series. So if you haven't followed me yet, follow me now, and I'll see you in my next video.